Sometimes becoming a fashion designer is no longer exciting. It becomes hard work. You lose momentum, you lose confidence, you begin to doubt yourself, and what used to be inspiring now becomes heavy work. How do we fix that? I'm going to show you in this video. I'm going to show you what to do to stay motivated as a designer. Here's the truth. Motivation is unreliable. If you depend on feeling inspired, you're going to stop the moment things get uncomfortable. And fashion design will get uncomfortable. Your work won't look how you want it. You'll compare yourself to others. You might feel lost. And you'll start to question if you're good enough. That's not failure. That's just part of the process. But most people don't understand that feeling. They stop and they give up. Here's the thing, you're not alone. And on this channel, we help you overcome these challenges, these obstacles. Okay, let's break this down. If you want to stay motivated as a designer, you need to build 3 internal systems. Structure, identity, perspective. Let's start with system number 1, structure. This replaces motivation. You don't need to feel like it if you already have decided what you're doing. This is why habits and routines matter. Because when your day is structured, you remove decision fatigue. You don't wake up asking, should I create today? Because you already know the answer to that. System number 2, identity. This keeps you going. Instead of asking, how do I stay motivated? Ask, what would a fashion designer do today? Because once you identify as a designer, your behavior changes. You don't wait to feel ready. Because you are ready, you are in alignment, you act in alignment. Right now, do you see yourself as a fashion designer or do you see yourself becoming a fashion designer? There's a distinction there. Let me know in the comments. Okay, system number 3, perspective. This protects your energy. Most people think, this is hard work. This is so hard. Maybe this is not for me. But what if hard means you're learning, you're growing, you're getting closer? Struggle is not a sign that you're off track. It is a sign that you are in it. You're doing the work. So the real enemy is not lack of motivation. What it is comparison, perfectionism, overthinking. Let me explain. You scroll, you see other designers, and suddenly you feel like you're not ready. But you're comparing your beginning with someone else's middle. And that will always kill your motivation. If you don't fix this, you'll keep starting over again and again. Reframe. Let me give you a different way to think about this. You don't need to stay motivated forever. You just need to keep showing up, even when it's not perfect, even when it's not exciting, even when it feels slow, because consistency builds momentum. Let me say that again. Consistency builds momentum, and momentum creates confidence. So, this is your permission to keep going. You're not failing, you're in the process. And the only way forward is through it. And if you're serious about building a real future in fashion, that's exactly what we do here inside Fashion Premier Academy. And if you want real structure and guidance and a clear path, start with the free mini course. I'll put the link below. And also, if you want to go deeper into this mindset and direction, my book, Design Your Future, Be a Future Designer, is the perfect tool to help you and support you on your journey. So why did I write this book? Let me tell you. After working with so many students over the years, I realized that even though many had the talent, they were missing the mindset, the inner strength and clarity of vision to actually bring their creative dreams to life. And that's what sparked this book. I saw the need for something that could guide aspiring designers, not just in their craft, but in their confidence, direction, and self-belief. I will be reading selections from this book every week so that you can get a first-hand feel for what this book is really about and how it can inspire your own journey. So stay tuned, follow along, and if you're ready to dive in right now, well, the book is available on Amazon in both the paperback version and the ebook as well. And if this video helped you see things more clearly, please subscribe. Because here, we're not just talking about fashion, we're talking about building a real future. I'll see you in class. Welcome to Fashion Premier Academy. Design your future now.